your arms. Keep them like that until you get out of the water the first time.
Alright. You ready?
What's your flight number today, guys?
Huh?
What's your flight number? You can do it.
20. Where's Sarah? Oh. You ready? There's Mama. There's Mama. Right there. It's right there. Everybody's looking at us. You ready?
Guys, go ahead, smile, wait for the camera if you haven't already.
Oh, where'd she go? Oh my God. Look at this, dude. Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine. Look at all that. Look at all that. It's so high up. All right, man. We're gonna do it. You ready to fly? You ready to fly? All right. All right, you ready? All right, 1, 2, look around. Okay, here we go. Oh my God! Oh! Yeah! That was crazy. Crazy. Oh, that's awesome. Oh my God, that's crazy. That's crazy. That was pretty awesome, wasn't it? That was pretty awesome. Oh my God, I'm shaking. Oh, jeez. I know.
Like when we were up there and when we were going backwards down,
that was pretty damn scary.
I was like shaking. And then I got my eyes watering.
Are you okay? Wow, man, that's insane. That was pretty insane. I'm shaking. Are you shaking? Was that scary? Hey, give me 5. You're awesome. Oh, man. Whew.
Next time back, go ahead and grab one of these.
Alrighty. Oh my God. I got it, buddy. Wave, camera. That was awesome. That was incredible. It was incredible.
And once you first get down, beware. It is so scary.
Guys, don't drop those foot bars, please.
Drop the foot bars?
Yes, sir.
Ow.
Where's your foot bar? Get your foot out.
Spin you guys around, you can grab the wall in front of you and help yourself stand up. What was it, guys?
That was crazy. I've never done anything like that.